Hello, my name is Ron Johnson. I'm 58 years old. I live in Venice, Florida, and today's date is May 19th, 2014. I'm making this video today because I need help. Back in 2008, I lost my job and my health care coverage. Hadn't been able to get a job. And in 2012, the belching started. So I had to go to the Sarasota County Health Department. And they were baffled. Nobody had ever heard of anything like this or seen anything like it. Back in January 2013, a doctor there prescribed me Reglan, or metoclopramide, the generic form of Reglan. The belching stopped, but by October it was back, and I was suffering every psychological side effect, including a Parkinson's syndrome type side effect from that drug. No one has been able to figure out what is wrong with me. I've had every gastro test that was available to me through the health department. They say I'm fine. The only way this slows down is when I'm laying down. I can't do anything from a recliner. It's embarrassing to go out in public because this just does not stop. I need somebody out there in the medical community or anybody that has experienced this, heard of it, might be able to tell me how I can get this to stop. This is no life. I'm a veteran of the Army National Guard for 22 years, and my medical coverage doesn't kick in until I'm 60. I'm just stuck. I have no income, and this is killing me. If you can help me, please contact me via email at rjsk_42@yahoo.com. That's rjsk_42@yahoo.com. Thank you.